In this video, I will show you how to use ChatGPT to simplify complex technical writing for any audience. I start by defining a clear role for the AI, asking it to act as a simplification assistant that turns dense jargon into plain, accessible language. ChatGPT quickly confirms the request, outlining its plan to use shorter sentences and a straightforward tone to make the information easy to follow. Now, I paste in a very technical medical description of type 2 diabetes that involves complex biological terms and processes. The AI generates a clear summary explaining how the body's struggle with insulin leads to high blood sugar and potential long-term health issues. It successfully replaces medical jargon with everyday words, making the information much more approachable for a general reader. Next, I challenge the AI to rewrite the same technical content for 3 specific groups: a beginner, a newly diagnosed patient, and a high school biology student. For the beginner, it focuses on the basic concept of sugar building up in the blood because the body's natural key for energy isn't working. The version for patients is written with a reassuring and practical tone, emphasizing how daily habits can help manage the condition effectively. Finally, for the biology student, it maintains scientific depth by discussing beta cells and insulin resistance but structures the explanation so the underlying logic is much easier to grasp. This shows how quickly you can tailor complex information to meet the exact needs of your audience. If you found this walkthrough helpful for personalizing your own AI workflow, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.